What's up, beautiful people? Kit Cummings live from Power P Studios right here on the square in Marietta. Hope you're having a great day. Question: how many real dreamers do you know? You know, over 50 years ago, Dr. Martin Luther King said, "I have a dream," and he energized that word and it became a bigger word, a stronger, more powerful word. And if I said, think of great dreamers across the generations, I guarantee you'll think of the Kings and the Gandhis and the Mandelas and the great world changers that had an idea that was so big it drove them to believe in the impossible. And people rally around dreamers and they get inspired. Well, I look at today's kids and I don't think we've ever really taught them how to dream, and we haven't modeled it for them, perhaps. And so the Power Peace Project, we interrupt unhealthy habits with today's youth. And instead of telling them what not to do, we tell them what they could do. And we help them start to learn how to dream big dreams. We teach them how big dreams can pull you through drama and distraction and temptation and problems and failures and obstacles and hatred. The bigger the dream, the stronger the pull. You show me a kid that's got a big dream, I'll show you a kid that'll say no to foolishness to protect that dream. You show me a person that doesn't have one, kids or grown folks, I'll show you somebody that's up for whatever, because they ain't got nothing to protect. Nothing's pulling them. So today, I want to challenge you to be like the kids we're working with. Find a dream, pick a dream, create one. If you don't have one, choose one today. It can change tomorrow. And then begin to protect it. Find your heart, your passion again, your purpose. Try to really figure out why I'm on this planet. Am I doing what I was put here to do? And what things am I focused on that aren't going to matter in 100 years? And what am I going to do today that will matter in 100 years? I wish that kind of day for you, a day of impact. But make sure you hug a kid, and these kids need hugs, they need cheers and attaboys and high fives, and grown folks, stop hating on them and start teaching them how to dream and start modeling dreams. But until I see you on the field, be the change you wish to see in the world today. Peace.